This is beyond the fold. It looks like this. Beyond the fold is a repeater trick. I just did 2 repetitions of it, and we're going to learn how to do it back to back to back over and over again. So first, you want to throw a trapeze. Using your throw hand index finger, insert it on the front side of your mount. You're going to be using your non-throw hand index finger, and you want to make sure both of them are pointed straight out in opposite directions. You're going to place your non-throw hand index finger about 3/4 of the way down the trapeze. And what you're going to do is lift your non-throw hand index finger, and your throw hand index finger is going to come underneath the yo-yo. You're going to fold the yo-yo between these 3 strings. Once your yo-yo surpasses your throw hand, you're going to gently pinch your non-throw hand index finger and drop that front string off of your finger. Once you're at that point, you've folded the yo-yo over, you've gently pinched your non-throw hand index finger, you're going to be left with this weird mount and this string is wrapped around your finger. You need to prepare your non-throw hand thumb down here to catch the yo-yo as you dismount. So I'm going to dismount the yo-yo off the front of the string here. Remember, using your non-throw hand thumb to catch it. You're catching the yo-yo, and then for the next step, you're going to use your non-throw hand to flip it over the back side and behind all of these strings that are connected to your throw hand, releasing it from your thumb as well. As the yo-yo falls over back towards your throw hand, you'll notice that this little kink happens right there. It's over top of your throw hand index finger and where you want to whip the yo-yo. So right now, my throw hand is actually palm side up, and when you whip, you're going to switch from up to down like that. Be sure, as you're whipping the string around, you're aiming the outside string to catch the yo-yo in the proper way. Remember, beyond the fold is a repeating trick. So combining all those elements together will allow you to do the trick back to back over and over again. And that is beyond the fold.